Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Shivani, your designer friend, here to share my passion for fashion with you. Today I'm drawing a very sexy brown leather dress. So this is something what I had on my mind, and I saw a video of Kim Kardashian struggling to wear that leather pant. It was kind of funny. So starting with the basic sketch, I gave her some long hairs and some bangs to give some definition to the neck area. And I really feel like I messed up her legs a little bit, but then it doesn't look that bad at the end. So yeah. So at first I thought of going with the color that Kim Kardashian is wearing, but then I changed my mind and went with really dark brown like the one that Kendall is wearing. But starting with this really light shade gave me an idea of where will be the shadows and where I want the light to reflect. First, I'm drawing shadows using this really dark brown sketch pen. Then I'm filling it up with the dark brown pencil color. Now I'm using a black pencil color to darken the shadows to give it more definition. Now I'm erasing a little bit of brown color for the highlights. Now coming to the skin, I'm using a pencil color to fill in, and then I'm using a sketch pen to make the shadows. For the makeup, I wanted to go for something brown and nude, but I couldn't do the nude thing. So I darkened her eyes, that looks nice, and I gave her brown lips. So I really wanted to make some highlights on her hair, but my white pen stopped working, so yeah. So black hair, brown dress, and now we're again going with black shoes. So for the clutch, what I had on my mind is a black clutch with some rhinestones on it or some glitter on it. And we're done. I'm just adding some more highlights using this silver glitter pen. And we're done, everyone. Look at her, she's so pretty. I love her bangs, I love her dress, I love everything about this look. If you enjoyed watching this and you love fashion and art, then please subscribe to the channel and follow me as your designer friend. Thank you so much. Keep dreaming.